Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on NOKIA XR21. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install. And now you can click open. Here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your account, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. Now it just asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, but you can click not now, and that's it. Your Microsoft Edge is set up and you can use it just like any other browser. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.